Hi everyone, welcome back to another online tutorial at Ruth Faulkner Library. Today I'm going to guide you through how you can access some amazing magazines down to your device. So, to get started, you need to access www.belmont.wa.gov.au/e-resources. Okay, then click on RBDigital, because that's where we're going to source all of some amazing magazines. Now click on Create Account, enter your library card details, click on Belmont Library, enter in your name, your email, your password, and it's a really good idea to write down and keep your password somewhere safe. Okay. Then you are ready to search all of the amazing magazines, and there are more than 3,500 copies available to you on a variant of topics. So if you're into sport or health, cooking, craft, all sorts available to you that you can download to your device. The best thing is you can keep them for as long as you like. You don't need to return them within a certain time period, and you can download as many as you like. So I've just gone through the process for downloading it to your PC. There are very similar steps that you can follow to download to your iPad by downloading the app RBDigital and just following through step by step. So just by having a valid library card, you can still enjoy all of the magazines that are available to you. Thanks for watching. If you need any assistance whatsoever, the staff are here to help you, so please give us a call on 9477 7150. And thanks for watching.